we're back once again for another Project Purple construction update. Guys, look at the size of this crane. I'm having to zoom out to almost 0.5 to be able to get the entire crane inside the frame. But yeah, this is absolutely enormous. I can't wait. They've done a lot more work there on that tower. Like, you can definitely see there's like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 sections of that tower, and it looks like they're working on the 5th one there. But this is really coming along really great. That crane is like probably, I gotta say, almost 400 feet tall. That is enormous. We also have people over there working on Barrels of Fun. And actually, this is my first time being at the park since they have now soft opened parts of Shoreline Pier. So it's the flying scooters, the Hypno Twister, and then the Super Roundup that are now open. So we're gonna get to go in there and take a look at that. But also they're working on the wave swinger too. So that and Barrels of Fun, I have to imagine, will open next. Coming down Main Street, man, guys, this looks absolutely incredible. It is perfectly framed in this entrance, like, to the boardwalk. It looks unbelievable. So a big change this week is Garden State Grill has now been renamed to Garden State Fresh Cut Fries. I believe this is something the park did mention was coming, but I can't wait to see what the updates are. So that has me wondering if they're gonna update Totally Kickin' Chicken as well as the Boardwalk Steak and Fries next year with Project Purple. But now that they're updating this, but that's great to see. They also have this new stage this year. I do believe this is going to be used for Boardwalk Nights. Yeah, you can see they have a sign out here for it. Excuse our appearance, we are preparing for Boardwalk Nights. So this is gonna look great. Really does look like Wildwood here. It looks like over here they are working on Project Purple, and you can see there's also some new signage up here saying Beach Patrol right here. Really hyping this up.
I have a. Oh, that one.
You can see over here they have some more signs up, and it looks like this new food stand that was relocated from Six Flags America is pretty much almost ready to go. They're probably just waiting to put up the signs and stuff. But yeah, this is my first time walking into the new Shoreline Pier. I can't wait to actually check it out. They also got this new beach chair, really Wildwood-like. And this is probably going to be a drink stand if I had to guess. Hopefully that's a Coke refresh station. And they also have this new sign up. Thank you for enjoying this exclusive first look at our all-new Shoreline Pier. Some rides are now available for you to enjoy, while others might be cycling or training as our teams complete final preparations. More rides, dining, and entertainment will be coming online soon as we approach the official opening of Shoreline Pier. Enjoy your visit, and thank you for being a part of this exclusive preview. Absolutely awesome. Of course, my first ride I'm going to check out in this new area is the new flying scooters. I can't wait. I always love these rides. You can also see they're working very hard to get the wave swinger open. Great to see. I'm so happy we have finally a pair of flying scooters here at Great Adventure. I've been wanting to see one of these come for a while. Now I'm probably gonna go do the Hypno Twister because got no wait. All right, just got off the Hypno Twister there. It gives you a great view of both Barrels of Fun as well as Project Purple over here. Yeah, they definitely look like they're working very hard here on the wave swinger. So my guess that should open pretty soon, I have to say. I love this new Jaws shark. Apparently the story of Jaws actually comes from New Jersey, at least according to El Toro Ryan. But yeah, we do actually have a car on Barrels of Fun over here. You can probably, I don't know, you could just barely see it over there. Yeah, that is the orange car. So, yeah, I'm hoping they start testing this soon. Probably still waiting for the arrival of the rest of the cars, but yeah, it should be really cool. Got this new sign here. Yeah, very excited for this. I gotta say, I love these Target balls. Apparently they are beach balls according to Ryan, but yeah, they got these nice stone on them, like kind of like river rocks, I had to imagine. But yeah, they look really cool. You can see the crew here installing more panels on the wave swinger. We also got a new gift shop, and I gotta say, I really like this sweater. Specifically, it's Great Adventure specific, which that is very Cedar Fair like. But yeah, very beach like. You can see they have the new Six Flags logo there. Yeah, some candy.
They just had maintenance and they had to run it basically 5 times.
Very cool. Also, it doesn't look like the Super Roundup is open today, but that's okay. These actually aren't my type of rides. I actually haven't done one yet because I don't know, they're not my thing. I was definitely more interested in riding the flying scooters than the Hypno Twister. I'm glad, yeah, I got on them before this area officially opens and it starts getting really popular back here. Have to show the new iconic view. You can see barely over there with Project Purple rising. King the Kai, if you remember, was perfectly framed between that first airtime hill, and Project Purple is definitely after the second airtime hill. Thank you, Great Adventure, for turning on the water jets over there. I'll definitely tell you, in today's heat wave, they definitely feel very nice. Also, I can see they've done more repainting over here at Mine Train. You can see the first section down here after the airtime hill, completely repainted. So it doesn't look like they've repainted the lift hill yet, but this whole section coming out of that airtime hill is completely repainted. And that turnaround over there where it really just like yanks you to the side. This section here looks completely refreshed. It looks really nice, guys. I'm really happy they're doing this. See another train going up the lift hill? Yeah. Mine Train is gonna look so much better. No more paint like chipping off and stuff like that. It's gonna look awesome after this is all done. So it does look like they have started in parts of that first helix there, but they haven't completed that part. You can see there's still power washing there. So hopefully they can get the rest of this done really soon. To the person that made the fake press release about Batman closing, please stop. It's down for maintenance, guys. Batman isn't going anywhere.
Box up with the big parade. The gang's all here showing up in spades. It's the real deal. Ain't no charade that today is gonna be.
One more thing before I go. I saw the park trademark the name Gargantuan Vertical Vengeance. I think that's a really dumb name. We already have a coaster here named with the name Vertical in it. We don't need another one. Just call it Gargantuan or Gargantua or Phantom Spire. You don't need to add a subtitle to every name. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it from this week's Project Purple construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Great progress this week. Great to see this tower going in vertical so fast. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PA&J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.